Oh, oh, remotes. Oh, settle down. See this? Had this since I was a kid. It's got a knot there, and it's got a knot there. So when you're gonna carve, you can carve here, but not there, and not there. Do you get it? So, dad jokes aside, this is really nice, soft pine, fun to carve. I'm going to take and just hack off a chunk here, to about, and I'm gonna just carve because I just want to carve. I don't want to. I've got projects I'm working on. I just need a mental break because, you know, stress and whatnot, and trying to make things too perfect, and everybody runs off with my pencils, and I don't have any more. I found. Oh, thanks. I already got one though. I'm using the popsicle stick because we're precise like that here. How about that? Oh, did that work? Who cut that? My goodness, slap his head. Crooked. Oh, go where you're supposed to. Okay. Let's carve. Where's my pineapple? Oh, down in there. That guy. Casual carving. Just having family night tonight down here in the craft room. Craft/fitness room. Somebody's back there doing Wu-Tang Clan. Wooten. Juliet Wooten workouts. Working on her fitness. Alright. Where's my glasses? Oh, my glasses. Oh, are we focused? Oh, where are we working? Ooh. Let's give you an overview where he's. Oh, focus. Where he's at right now. And yeah, I got a little more work to do. Got to carve in his back fat and round his cheeks a little more. Finish his boots. Just do a little refinement, but mostly we got to take care of this. He's a gummer. He needs some teeth. I have some flakes and chips of some chert, or yeah, whatever this would be called, Keo cook material, if any of you out there are flint knappers and aware of it. But anyway, I'm going to make him some teeth out of it. And basically by making teeth, I mean I'm going to cut and shape a couple of little gumpers out of these for him. Where's my focus? And yeah, I don't know if stop. I don't know if you can see the colors. I got too much light now. Holy cow, oversaturation. Anyway, I'm gonna carve him some teeth out of rock. Stick him in that lip there, like I said. Give him at least 2 big old gumpers so he can. Okay. My son apparently hasn't ever heard the word gumpers for teeth before. And he's gonna spill his cereal. We're having midnight snack down here. Are you breathe? Don't spill. You know how things hit you once in a while. Well, he's a teenager. It hit him. You alright? Don't joke. Oh man, he's losing it. Anyway, maybe that ought to be his name. Gumper. Right? Oh yeah, and I gave him some boots. I might have showed that already. And I polished his butt cheeks real nice. Okay. Well, I've got my little box of chips out. Let me show you something. I got this in there too. And that'll be good enough. Ooh, what kind of magic is that? Some of you might know. We were out. I don't remember where we were. But I found this piece of glass, and I could tell by the look of it in the dark with my regular flashlight that it was probably uranium glass. And I brought it home, and sure enough, it is. Look at the glow. Oh, radioactive. Anyway, we'll make something cool out of that sometime too. of that. So there's those two Gumpers. They'll fit about there. And then you got one more right here, I think. Now we'll carve the little feller to go there, out of that guy. Like, much smaller though. It'll be pretty. Yeah, it'll work. There we go. Getting tiny to work with now. There. They'll be sticking out a little. We'll make this look a little more like a tooth if we can do it without getting our fingers. I don't know if you can see that where it's focused. I've got them a little bit polished. I've been just shaping them. Where'd it go? Oh my goodness. I've been shaping them with this feller a little bit. Now I'm going to polish them with this feller. You know, just more or less. Look how shiny that's getting. Oh, that's nice. There, it shows it. Oh, getting a little yellow on him. It's alright, he's a troll. He can handle it. Ooh. Ah, of course I drop him. Alright, so we'll get that yellow off him in a minute. Although I don't mind it. I'm having yellow teeth. Focus. Look at those little pearly whites. They're perfect. And I carved them out of this. Aww. Like I said, that yellow will come off. Look at him. Little teeth. For my special little guy. Hello. Feel like a dentist. Do you feel that, Gumper, or do you need more numbing? If you feel a pinch, let me know. So the teeth kind of sit out. There we go. So that's those ones. And ah. There. Ta-da! There's his teeth. They're made out of a type of chert called Burlington shirt that I chip arrowheads out of sometimes. Anyway, you get the idea. So I'm going to glue his teeth in like that. Come on, those guys leaning out a little more. Anyway, I'm going to glue them and we'll do the end of this video. I'm done messing with that. Sometimes you just got to warm them cheeks by the fire. Mm-hmm. That's nice. That's real nice. But it's time to put it out and go to bed. Yeah. Oh, you like my focus? You like my fancy setup?